What's up Sushi Lovers family, namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. Hope all of my family doing very good. Today I'm gonna make very super delicious deep fried salmon sushi. It's very crispy, crunchy with extra level of textures and flavor. So don't go away from this deep fried tempura sushi roll recipe and do subscribe for more sushi related videos. I have here 3 different fish. It's a tuna, it's a hamachi, hiramasa kingfish, and it's a sake salmon. First of all, I want to make topping. So I'll chop all of this fish and gonna mix together. Not too fine chopped, also it's not dice cut. I'm doing raw chop. Let's mix all of these 3 fishes. For extra level of aroma and textures, I love to add lemon zest. Don't add too much, otherwise it can be very strong. Now I'm going to add tobiko, black and tobiko wasabi. If you have red tobiko, it will give more colorful. Tobiko will give extra crunchy in the time of bites sushi roll or in the time of eating sushi rolls. Now time to mix very well. And also I'll use mayonnaise. If you have Japanese mayonnaise, that will be a best. But here I am using normal mayonnaise. Let's make well mixtures of 3 fish, lemon zest, tobiko and mayonnaise. Yes, that's the secret. I have also tempura seaweed. I did deep fry to make another level of crispiness. It's very simple, don't be worried how to make it. Simply you can dip in the tempura butter and do deep fried. I'll make small pieces and gonna add with these fish mixers. Yes, it's our final mixers of topping for deep fried tempura sushi. Now let's make the sushi roll. It's a seaweed nori. Nori always have 2 sides, shiny and rough side, lining side as well. Always we have to place sushi rice on the rough side, as we know. Here I have the mango, avocado. For sweetness I'll use mango, and for the creamy flavor I love to use the avocado. Now I'll take more or less 70 grams sushi rice. Firstly I'll put on the middle, then after I'll separate it very carefully and gently. Normally I will place sushi rice same as like the hosomaki sushi roll. Mean I'll leave 1 finger on the top of the nori, as you can see in this video. For extra level of aroma and textures and crunchiness and crustiness, I love to use toasted sesame seeds. I love everything. Now always leave 1 finger on your side to the bamboo mats, so it will be easy in the closing time. Now let's place mango and avocado on the middle. Now time to roll it. For sushi rolling techniques and idea, always hold sushi mats by your thumb and second fingers, and rest 3 fingers used for the secure the ingredients, and smoothly fold the sushi mat. Roll it very gently till your bamboo mat tips is touching the seaweed like this. In the second step, take out the bamboo mat and roll it again to make finalize. And to close properly, give little squeeze. It will help to make perfect shape as well. Yes, it looks like hosomaki. Now I'll cover with sushi rolls by salmon neta. Here salmon will be outside and sushi rice and other ingredients will be inside. So deep frying time it looks extra beautiful. I hope it will be more crunchy, crispy and super delicious. Do the same process for the sushi rolling techniques. Yes, finally our salmon sushi roll is ready. Now I'll cut in half so it will be easy to handle it. Tempura flour I'll use during deep fry time, and why I'm using tempura flour that will I'll say in the later. Now I'll make tempura butter. One of my viewers is asking how to make tempura butter. It is very important part, so we have to be more careful to make crispy tempura. I'll add icy cold water and gonna mix it. If you want, you can use little salt and egg yolk also, but don't use too much egg yolk, otherwise it will be a same as like the cake, you know. Simple ratio is the 250 gram tempura flour and mix with 350 ml icy cold water. Now it looks like this. Yes, it's a good recipe combination. Now I will use tempura flour with my salmon sushi rolls. So it will grab more tempura butter, not only more, and it will grab more properly also. And another important reason is it will start to go well inside the sushi roll during the deep fry time. And also it will help to make super crispy, super crunchy. So our sushi roll will be more delicious. We have here sushi roll, that's the tempura butter, and here is the deep fryer with normal vegetable oil with 174 degrees Celsius heat. Let's dip sushi roll in the tempura butter very carefully and gently. I'm trying to grab tempura butter all around the sushi roll and gonna put on the deep fryer. Wait till it becomes brown and crunchy. Let's do a little more time. Yes, finally we have our super delicious deep fried salmon sushi roll. I'll do dry with help of the pepper so it will be less oily. Now I will cut and gonna do beautiful plating, but don't go away from final touch. I have here a great idea to make extra level of textures. I'll put on top mixers which I already made. Now I have here the natural garlic deep fried slice which I made myself. It's very easy to make. Make thin slices from the garlic and do deep fried. I'll add on top of so it will give extra level of textures and flavor. For final touch, I love to use fine chopped onion chips. At last but not least, I'm using here sweet chili with the Philadelphia, and I love to use the black tobiko for the colorful. That's it. Here is our super delicious deep fried salmon tempura sushi roll with simple and easy tempura sushi recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi please, and give me thumbs up if you really like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.